हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का यहाँ पे वंस अगेन हेयर। बड़ी ही इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट, पॉजिटिव मैसेज, वेरी पॉजिटिव एनालिसिस एंड गुड न्यूज़ कवरेज फॉर ऑल द रिस्पेक्टेड सीनियर पेंशनर्स। सो उसको यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे अमंग ऑल ऑफ यू। सो काइंडली मेक श्योर to share this important message from one of the respected senior and subscribe to the channel for the latest banking pension and related अपडेट्स के लिए यहाँ पे चैनल को यू सब्सक्राइब कर लेना दोस्तों। और स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड पॉजिटिव मैसेज दैट वी हैव हियर फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस। सो फ्रेंड्स, आपको पता अभी तो जनवरी 9th 11th and 12th will be important for all the bankers as well as pensioners and many others because 12th by पटाट हो सकता है इम्प्लीमेंट हो जाए एंड अलॉन्ग विद 5 डे बैंकिंग अलॉन्ग विद एक्स ग्रेशिया। तो काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट नेक्स्ट वीक रहने वाला है। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद द इम्पॉर्टेंट मैसेज। पेंशन रेगुलेशंस डू नॉट स्टिपुलेट एक्वेटोरियल एस्टिमेट्स to be done by the IBA, then by hue and cry by IBA on this count. So the pension regulation 35(1) provides for updation and nowhere it says it will be subject to availability of adequate additional funding as suggested by Indian Bank Association. So pension regulations are subordinate legislations and hence statutory in nature. The provisions for NPA are as advised by the regulator. The statutory provision for pension, including updation in terms of Regulation 35(1), have precedence over regulatory provisions for NPA. So when availability of profit is not a precondition for NPA provision, how can it be assumed for the pension revision? So friends, there was a ban on recruitment from 85 to 97, 98 except for the compassionate appointments, specialist officers, SC, ST backlog if any, and recruitment in sub-staff cadre. So therefore most of people recruited up to 85 have retired. Currently only few people retired and this trend will continue for the next 13 years while new addition to pension number will be very negligible. The loss of life of pensioners on account of death will be at a normal rate, so such reality would bring down the number of pensioners over the next 13 years, whereas the pension fund will continue to swell and thus become more robust and surplus. जो pension fund का we have covered various videos। जो pension fund है फ्रेंड्स वो नियर बाय इट इज़ अवर रफ एस्टिमेट वो 3 लाख करोड़ के अराउंड है as on 31st March 22 if we are not wrong. So those who are recruited up to pre-April 10 would also retire by 47 and also expected to die after getting pension for 20 to 20 years, that is by 69. So what will happen to the pension fund of the banks thereafter? So there is therefore a strong merit in the preposition that even if some amount is eaten out of the corpse, it would be a prudent accounting, right? So the contention of IBA that for rupees 1 increase in pension banks need to provide rupees 185 is demonstrative of their lack of awareness about the entire issue. So while the private sector member banks to IBA settlement were asked to buy a annuity from LIC at rupees 157 for a pension of rupees 1. So the public sector banks were advised to create pension fund and manage it prudently in terms of pension regulations. So IBA cannot equate public sector bank with private sector bank at this stage and illegally deny us the pre-existing benefit of updation in terms of the regulation 35(1). So friends, if the pension funds are not adequate, by some bank managements could transfer huge amounts from the pension fund to their P&L accounts to falsely show better results and also get caught for such illegal transfers. So let IBA, United Farmer Bank Union, share the pensioners' complete data with United Farmer Bank Unions in a transparent manner and recheck the calculations factoring the above mentioned retirement pattern, and also calculate the yield on funds. जो pension funds की yield है, because pension funds are somewhere invested in some of the coupons, some of the bonds, or on actual basis instead of using a lower coupon of 6%. So pension updation is a legal right of bank pensioners and is not subjected to fund constraints. So funding is bank's outlook and not of the IBA. So banks are faithfully providing suggested by regulations actuaries annually. So the future retirees are always in our calculations. The number is shown as on 31st March 22. In fact, a large number of people have retired in last about 2 years, so it may not be more than 1.5 lakh at the present. So दोस्तों ये update that we are reading is being shared by Dr. JD Sharma जी. उनकी तरफ से this update is being shared on various platform, and when we went through this important update we feel that it's covering many important issues, many important points, so we thought to share it among you. So please kindly share this important update among other pensioners, and please put a like for our efforts. So let us not be discouraged by the false propaganda in the guise of ISITs, right? So we will fight till we succeed. So we will fight, friends. So यहाँ पे this is a very important update by Mr. JD Sharma ji. So kindly share this important update and subscribe to the channel for the latest banking, pension and related update के लिए यहाँ पे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना फ्रेंड्स. सो नेक्स्ट वीक इज़ अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो उसके जो एजेंडाज हो सकते हैं मीटिंग के, सो आई विल ट्राई टू डिस्कस दैट इन द कमिंग वीडियोस. So hopefully by today evening, friends, hopefully by today evenings I'll try to share that important update with you. So that's all for this session, friends. So bye bye, take care all and share this important update. And most importantly चैनल को यहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना दोस्तों, और importantly please like our efforts. So this is a important update on the how the pension funds are being used here. So that's all. Bye bye, take care all friends, and please subscribe. Bye.